Have you ever wondered why financial institutions lose up to 40% of their new customers right at the onboarding stage? The answer is friction. Slow, manual KYC processes frustrate users and cost banks millions. But what if onboarding took seconds without compromising a single layer of security? Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a practical game changer for financial onboarding. We're looking at a fully automated biometric KYC workflow built entirely on the Microsoft Power Platform, integrating OCR and the Azure Face API. This isn't a theoretical concept, it's a deployable architecture that bridges the gap between compliance and speed. Let's dive into the engine. Here on my screen is our Power Automate flow. It triggers the moment a customer submits their ID and a live selfie. Instead of sitting in a queue for manual human review, the flow instantly fetches these images. First, we use OCR, optical character recognition, to extract the text from the ID document. We then securely log this data for regulatory compliance. Next comes the heavy lifting. The Azure Face API steps in to detect the face on the ID card and compares it directly against the live selfie. It analyzes the underlying biometric markers to definitively prove the person holding the phone is the person on the ID. To see this in action, let's trigger an API call through Postman, exactly how your mobile banking app would do it. I'm passing the URLs for the ID and the selfie. I hit send and look at this response time. In exactly 10 seconds, the flow processed the entire biometric check. Notice the JSON payload. Verification result says match confirmed, and our match confidence is a perfect one, 100% definitive match. If it fails, it routes to a manual review queue. If it succeeds, your customer is instantly approved. For decision makers watching this translates to three hard facts. First, you drastically reduce your customer acquisition cost. Second, you eliminate human error and identity fraud by relying on enterprise-grade biometrics. And third, because this is low-code via Power Automate, your IT teams can deploy and scale this exact workflow in weeks, not years. Seamless, secure, and smart. If you want to streamline your institution's onboarding, I've left resources on this architecture in the description below. Hit that like button, subscribe for more fintech automation breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.